for the character board. I'll be using this cute little girl face. I get a little wet paper towel right here, making sure nothing is on my character board. This is how I set up my vinyl. So I'll get this all wet. Okay, so that's wet enough. So I'm just gonna grab my vinyl. It's a little gingerbread girl, 1616 says on the thing. This came from uniqueinthecreek.com. And just peel it at the bottom where my bow is gonna go probably. So this way I won't wrinkle it. Make it like a taco. And place while you're gonna place your vinyl to find the middle. Nope. And yes, there. I'm just gonna grab my little squeegee. Work the air bubbles out from the center out. Hi everyone, welcome. See, you can hear the air bubbles popping out of there. So I turn this towards the light to see if there's any more air bubbles. And nope, that's good. So I'll grab a dry paper towel and wipe the little character face down. And as well as the character board, the front and behind. To load the board, I'm just gonna grab a zip tie and load from the middle hole towards the inner hole, and grab another one, the outer hole and the middle hole. So I'm putting 2 feather petals on each, on every zip tie, okay? And I'm using the feather petal for this. Here's the mess that I'm using. This mess is called, right here. I've had this for a while. I don't think Unique in the Creek has this, but maybe Craft Outlet has it. But I'm sure Craft Outlet has it. So it's natural with white snowdrift. This one is called. It's poly burlap with the snowdrift, like a cotton balls going through it. So that's what we'll be using for this project. Excuse me. And as well as this brown, is it? It's a natural colored poly burlap, and I did not heat seal or wood burn these. I cut them with my rotary cutter, as you won't need to heat seal it because all the edges will be hidden down below. All right, so let me fold a couple for you, so you'll see what I did with the feather petal here. So again, I cut this at 10 by 10. with a rotary cutter. So I'm gonna put it into a diamond shape, curve side up, and I'm just gonna grab this and put it down like that and stretch it here in the middle. This is the feather petal. Hello everyone, welcome. I'm just gonna grab this and fold it over right where I think it's the middle. Oh, whoop, I knew that would happen. Fold it in the middle, and I grab this and I fold it over this way. Just over, not in the middle, but over. Making sure I have a little point up here, and then just fold it over. Pinch in the middle. This is how I make mine. Pinch in the middle and scrunch to the middle and push this to the middle. So that's the feathered petal. Okay. Okay, so I'll do another one. I'll be making a couple more a little later with the other mess. So again, this is how I fold it. The feather petal, fold it over. Make sure that point is pointy. Okay, pinch and push in and push in. The feather petal, I'm gonna put it this way. This is usually how I put mine, with the folded going inwards, but I'm gonna put it this way because I like this little look. You can always push this in, make it bigger, and it'll curve up too. So I'm gonna put these on the inside. We'll see how it looks. I've never seen one done like this, and I thought maybe it's gonna look okay. So I did use 4.5-inch zip ties for this petal instead of elastic bands, because I don't know, because I've been having issues where my petals slip out. Maybe they're not tightened in there enough, or I don't know what's happening. So this is how I'm adding mine in there. Just two all along here. And we'll probably add ribbon, a little bow down here as well. Just a simple bow. Not a big one. We'll just need a 6-inch tail. Drop that on the floor. Forgot to bring out my rollers, my ribbon rollers. 5-inch loop will probably be big enough for the bottom part. we'll do 2 any type. What if, yeah, I was just stopping to think there, sorry. So just the 2. Yeah, just the 2. Oh no. Yeah, the feather. I like the feather petals on the character board. I'm starting to like that that look. Okay, so okay, let's just lift this up. Put that in there. Twist and twist. This is where I thought I might add this in here. I don't have my glue gun on. I'm just gonna tie this around. Hot glue it down after. For now, I'm just gonna wrap my pipe cleaner around it like that. And I'll glue it down here once I see. Okay. Okay, let's add the bow. Right over here. I think that's a little too big. What do you guys think? No, perfect. Good. Okay, I'm just gonna add that in there. Grab my, what do you call those? These ones, my plastic needles. Okay, I'm just going through the mess here, finding that hole. Won't hurt the mess. Okay. There we go. That one is in there. This way, this way. This way, this way. This is where I add, this is the middle right here. This is where I added the bow. Not straight down the middle, but a little off. 2 zip ties off to the side is where I added the bow. Cut that back in there. Now let's add the, ooh, that's cute. Let's add the little Seth's hat. Again, made by Dre. There, so I need to add one in here. So I'll just make a little hole with something. My scissors. This one's sharp. And here. Oh, that one's glued in. Oh, can't use that. Could have used that when I was using the ruffles. I could have used that, but nope. Here we go. It's like sewing. I'll come back and glue this down so it won't break. So let me attach this here now. I can find a hole. There it is. One is in there. This is the fun part of making wreaths, is attaching your attachments. Oh, it's too long. I won't cut these off until I get a good look at where the hat is when I hang it. I won't tuck these in because I might adjust the hat, but I think it's perfect the way it is, where it is. So there's my version of the gingerbread girl. I'm making a crepe vinyl. So it has little, isn't that cute? It's done.